If you sell digital products, coaching, or affiliate offers, this solves a problem you already have. You need a low ticket offer that actually converts, something you can plug into your funnel today without writing, recording, or designing anything. That's exactly what Relationship Reset is. And in this video, I'll show you what's inside, who it's for, the upgrades, and the bonuses you'll get if you grab it through my link. Relationship Reset is not another flimsy PLR pack. It's a complete done for you 10 lesson coaching system with videos, audios, slides, pages, and full private label rights. If you want a fast tripwire or entry level product you can brand and sell immediately, this is solid value for the price. If you're looking for some magic push button income system, this is not that. Relationship Reset is a fast start coaching kit built around relationship healing, emotional clarity, and fresh starts. You get 10 written lessons, 10 matching video lessons, 10 audio lessons, slide decks, sales pages, lead capture pages, affiliate tools, and full private label rights. This is designed for affiliate marketers, coaches, course creators, funnel builders, anyone who wants a proven evergreen topic they can sell or use as a front-end offer. It's especially useful if you don't want to create content from scratch. Let me quickly walk you through how this works. Once you log in, you'll see all modules neatly organized. You download the content packs, written lessons in editable format, video lessons in MP4, audio lessons in MP3, slide decks in PowerPoint. You also get ready-made sales pages, delivery pages, and lead capture pages. From here, you simply rebrand the content, upload it to your site or platform, connect your payment button or funnel, and start selling. No recording, no scripting, no design work. This is plug and play PLR done properly. There are optional upgrades available after purchase. These usually include additional PLR bundles, marketing tools, funnel or traffic-related add-ons. None of the upgrades are required to use the core product. If your goal is just a strong tripwire or starter product, the front-end version already gives you everything you need. Now, this is where it gets interesting. If you grab Relationship Reset using the link below this video, you'll also receive an exclusive App Verdict bonus stock. Here are just some of the bonuses you'll get. Bonus 1. WP Slideshow Master. Create high-impact slideshows to boost engagement and conversions. Bonus 2. WP Swift Page plugin. Speed up your website and reduce bounce rate instantly. Bonus 3. Lead Book Generator. Automatically send Facebook leads straight into your email list. Bonus 4. WP Email Timer Plus. Add countdown timers inside emails and on pages to increase urgency. Bonus 5. Conversion Equalizer. Improve underperforming ad campaigns and conversion rates. Bonus 6. Sales Page Recycler. Reuse sales pages across funnels without duplicating work. Bonus 7. Action Poll. Segment your email list using polls for higher conversions. Bonus 8. Keyword Research Ninja 2.0. Find profitable keywords across Google, YouTube, Amazon, and more. Bonus 9. Affiliate System for Product Owners. Launch your own affiliate program with ease. Bonus 10. 100 ready-made niche blogs. Instant sites built to attract free traffic and buyers. And that's only part of the bonus stack. You'll see the full bonus list on the page below the video. Remember, these bonuses are only available if you use my link. Final verdict. Relationship Reset is a strong choice if you want a fast tripwire offer, a coaching product you can brand as your own, or a ready-made funnel entry point. The relationship niche is evergreen, emotional, and buyer-driven. The bonuses are limited. Once the timer expires or the bonus slots fill up, they're gone. If you're watching this later, check the page to see what's still available. Click the link below now to lock everything in. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you have questions. To get Relationship Reset and the full App Verdict bonus stock, click the link below this video. After purchase, you'll receive access to the main product plus bonus delivery instructions on the thank you page. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next review.